Sesame Street Nature Explorers! To start, press the play button.
Let's try putting all these clues together to figure out what animal it is.
So what did you observe, Nature Explorers?
Well, first, Elmo and Gabrielle found a feather.
Then we found some footprints.
And we also found something that's been eaten.
What?
Gopher.
I don't think that's the animal we're looking for. Try again.
Robin.
Remember, we're looking for the animal that has feathers, leaves these kinds of footprints, and eats berries.
Turtle.
Try the goose.
Goose. Goose.
That's it.
Nice work, Nature Explorers. Did you know geese usually fly in groups of 6? Mom goose, dad goose, and 4 goslings, which are young geese.
Cool.
It's getting dark. Elmo wonders what animals we can find now.
Let's see what we can find at the pond's edge.
Hey, that looks like a clue.
It looks like a puddle. That tells us it's an animal that likes water.
Did you know some animals live both in the water and on land?
You did it! You added a puddle.
I wonder what kind of animal likes water.
Another clue.
It looks like some footprints. That tells us it's an animal that leaves these kinds of footprints.
Did you know every type of animal has their own unique footprint?
You did it! You added some footprints.
I wonder what kind of animal leaves these kinds of footprints.
Keep looking for clues. Keep looking for clues. Oh, we already found that clue.
Keep looking for clues. A clue! Let's look through the magnifying glass to get an even closer look. It looks like a bunch of tiny eggs. That tells us it's an animal that lays eggs.
Did you know some animals lay eggs?
You did it! You added a bunch of tiny eggs.
I wonder what kind of animal lays eggs.
Elmo thinks it's time to put these clues together to figure out what animal it is.
So what did you observe, Nature Explorers?
Well, first, Elmo and Gabrielle found a puddle.
Then we found some footprints.
And we also found a bunch of tiny eggs.
What animal likes water, leaves these kinds of footprints? And
Robin.
I don't think that's the animal we're looking for.
Raccoon.
Remember, we're looking for the animal that likes water.
Spider.
Try the bullfrog.
Bullfrog. Bullfrog.
You got it.
Nice work, Nature Explorers. Did you know bullfrogs lay their eggs in a clump that floats on the water.
Cool.
It's important to protect and be kind to all things found in nature so they can be around in the future.
That means keeping the environment healthy and clean.
And making sure to respect all the plants and animals that live there.
Animals like our friend, the bullfrog.
Great job, nature explorers.
And great nature exploring. Do you want to take a break?
Or keep exploring.
Click here. Elmo wonders what other animals we can find.
Let's see what we can find in this bush.
Hey, that looks like a clue.
It looks like something that's been eaten. That tells us it's an animal that eats plant roots.
Did you know animals that only eat plants are called herbivores?
You did it! You added something that's been eaten.
I wonder what kind of animal eats plant roots. A clue! It looks like a hole in the ground. That tells us it's an animal that burrows in the ground.
Did you know some animals build nests in trees while others live underground or even in the water?
You did it! You added a hole in the ground.
I wonder what kind of animal burrows in the ground.
Another clue. Oh, look! It's some footprints. So Elmo thinks it's an animal that leaves these kinds of footprints.
Did you know every type of animal has their own unique footprint?
You did it! You added some footprints.
I wonder what kind of animal leaves these kinds of footprints.
Elmo thinks it's time to put these clues together to figure out what animal it is.
So what did you observe, nature explorers?
Well, first, Elmo and Gabrielle found something that's been eaten.
Then we found a hole in the ground.
And we also found some footprints.
What animal eats plant roots? Burrows in the...
Rabbit! Rabbit!
Way to go!
Nice work, nature explorers. Did you know a rabbit's front teeth never stop growing, so they have to chew on sticks and things to keep them from getting too long?
Elmo loves learning about animals. Sesame Street Nature Explorers. To start, press the play button.